This is the quick all you need to know review of John Marini's Resurfacing Body Scrub. I'm so excited to show you and tell you about why this is a game changer for your skin. I've used a bunch of body scrubs that doesn't really do much for my skin, especially since I tend to have dry skin and some keratosis pilaris on my arms. This is a full body exfoliation with active ingredients such as lactic acid and glycolic acid. It comes in an 8 fluid ounces bottle. The texture is semi-liquid and it contains small fine grains. The scent is fresh. When you gently rub it into your skin, it definitely feels that it is a scrub because it has those small grains and it feels exfoliating. I usually keep it on almost like a mask before showering it off. I also use a loofah sponge to massage it into the skin. The results are beautiful and my skin feels glowy and hydrated.